welcome to LazeezDesiKitchen.
Let's make tortilla chicken cones.
Bismillah.
What you are going to need are some tortilla wraps and some chicken tenders. To begin with, make the tortilla wraps into a cone and add in a slice of cheese singles. After that, add in some chili sauce if you would like. Next, add in the mayonnaise. Then, after that, put in the chicken tender, some lettuce, and some more chili sauce and mayonnaise to top it off. Enjoy this for iftar on the table with your loved ones. Ramadan Kareem!
Masada. I love it. Please like, share, subscribe.